Hey, it's Azimarcus Speaks here with Speech Tips for Beginners, and today we are going to be learning about proper posture. Posture might seem insignificant, but it can affect the message of your speech or presentation. If you slouch or bend or stay stiff, you are indirectly telling your audience that I'm bored, I'm not confident in my words, or I'm extremely nervous. You are also indirectly communicating to your audience when your back is straight, your chin is up, and you are making fluid movements. You are saying then that I am passionate about my topic, I know what I declare to be true, and I may be nervous, but you don't have to know that. This week's challenge has 3 major steps. Step 1, take some time to research public figures who are great speakers. I'll give you a head start. For example, Billy Graham, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., or Michelle Obama. Review their conferences or programs and analyze their posture and body language. See their posture as they captivate their audience. Step 3, attempt to mimic their stances and record yourself to see if you can grasp that concept of posture and body language. I hope you've learned more about why posture is so important. This has been Azimarcus Speaks with another way for you to speak with grace. See you next time.